Now tell everybody how happy you are, or we are, that we saved $30.07 today with coupons and Kroger saving at the grocery store. Yeah. That's good, huh? Yeah, it sure is. See, we about to get our eat on. Say, Grandma didn't get her steak because they too damn high. Kroger crazy. They done lost their mind, huh? Yeah. Say, they so crazy. Yeah, I know. Just think of the price of steak by the time you get up there to eat it. But we gonna get some anyway, just so we can eat steak together, huh, Precious? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.